Warning: this video will change your reality forever and bring you into a new reality, the one you think is invisible or impossible to create. What if I told you there's a dimension, right here, right now, where every single one of your dreams already exists? And what if I told you, the reason you're not manifesting is because you're stuck in the wrong dimension? Stay with me for 2 minutes. Your reality is about to shift. Most people live in the third dimension. Length, width, height, past, present, future. They think reality is solid, fixed, unchangeable. They look at their bank account, their relationships, their health, and they accept it. But the real elite manifestors know something you don't. The wealthy, the powerful, the ones who manifest effortlessly. They live in the fourth dimension. And here's what that actually means. The fourth dimension isn't somewhere out there. It's here. Right now. A person sitting in meditation, then a golden version of them stands up from their body. In the third dimension, you experience time. You wait. You hope. You pray and then wait for the result. Time speeding up, slowing down, then freezing completely. But in the fourth dimension, time doesn't exist. Multiple versions of the same person, poor, rich, sad, happy, all existing simultaneously. Your dream life isn't in your future. It's happening right now in the fourth dimension. The version of you who already has the wealth, the love, the peace, they exist. Manifestation isn't creating something new. It's shifting dimensions to where it already exists. This is not philosophy. This is physics. Quantum physics confirms, time is an illusion. Every possibility exists simultaneously. You don't create reality, you choose which reality to experience. The hidden secret. Here's what no one tells you. The secret the elite guard with their lives. You can't access the fourth dimension by thinking about your future. You access it by feeling it now. The version of you in the fourth dimension isn't waiting. They're not desperate. They're not hoping. They already have it. So they feel it. And because they feel it, the third dimension eventually catches up. Here's your 10-second practice. 1. Close your eyes. 2. Breathe as if your dream already happened. 3. Ask yourself, what does my fourth dimension self feel right now? If this opened your eyes, you need to subscribe now and comment, what's one thing you're ready to stop waiting for and start feeling now?